this wall is gonna need repainting. Oh my god. Okay, I've worked out what the issue is. Putting my fairy lights up on the wall is like burning. And you couldn't really notice when everything was up there.
To say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be.
Welcome to day 4 of my tidying my room, which has turned into a full-scale room renovation. I also can't stop sneezing for some reason, but I don't think I have a cold. I think it's because I got up at 6 a.m. and I sneeze when I get up early. So yesterday I finished painting the walls. There's like a couple of bits that just need going over.
Stop. Come on, listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.